In this video, we will test whether you can stain a veneer table. This is our kitchen table. It's worked well for a long time, but now it's quite worn and the color is not matching the rest of our design. So, since it's a good table, we didn't want to toss it away. Now, we wanted to have a black wooden table, so therefore the choice landed in staining it. To stain the table, we needed to remove all the old finish. We did this by sanding it. Now, here comes the big challenge with this project. The table had a thin veneer. This meant we needed to be very careful to sand off all the finish, but not to sand through the veneer, because that would be a really bad result. We applied the black stain with a sponge in 2 rounds, and then the surface was dried with a cloth. At last the table was assembled, and here you have the result. Hope you enjoy this project. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment below. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, stay inspired.